Hello, fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic works in the realm of physics and astrophysics. Relativity, the Special and the General Theory by Albert Einstein is a masterpiece that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. In this book, Einstein explains his groundbreaking theories of relativity, taking you on a journey through the fundamental principles that govern space, time, and gravity. It's not just for physicists, it's written in a way that even beginners can grasp these profound concepts. If you're eager to explore the mysteries of the cosmos and understand the fabric of space-time, this book is a must-read. You can find it on Amazon at the following link in the description. So, if you're ready to embark on a mind-bending adventure through the universe, pick up Relativity, the Special and the General Theory today. The link is in the video description below. Happy stargazing and happy reading!